Welcome to her YouTube channel. She's explained how to do this part. Yes, queen. Oh, yeah.
So before going to drag race, you need to know how to fucking sew. So this is pottery making. Okay. You should have
You're
ironed.
not gonna twerk? Okay.
You should have ironed all of this.
I tried, but it's way too deeply.
Okay, so I'm
crisp.
gonna show you this.
Let's go.
You trace it.
Front position.
You trace this.
Oh my god, so quirky. Yes. Morgan.
And since we're already here, we're gonna trace also this side. That's the armhole.
Okay.
Okay. Where's the Morgantina?
She has it.
Okay, we're gonna wait. No, if you need it, just use it. Okay. So, this is weird. I'm gonna go get mine.
No, it's fine.
No, I don't know how to
It's fine. Okay.
Okay, normal Morgantina.
This is gonna be in the bloopers.
You're not organized. Drag race?
You were not organized.
Drag
baby.
race where?
Okay, 1 centimeter. That's the seaming allowance you had before. 1 centimeter here. And 1 centimeter here.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
from here, you go back. Oh no, this didn't have seaming allowance because this is unfold. I was kidding. This is wrong. Unfold. This is the front. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now you go back. You're back to this, and you need to trace other 3 centimeters.
And then you go with
So
the
from
French
here-
curve?
No, after. This is 1. And after this, you do 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. And you do this again. Okay.
Okay.
And then 1 centimeter of seaming allowance from here.
No, perché non è da casa, è non ti Ottimo. Ottimo. No.
Okay, now you get a French curl.
Alright.
Okay, I can go right. Thank you so much for asking this.
You're so welcome.
Is this a proper French curve?
What?
Nothing.
She's calling inappropriate.
No, it's just. And you fix it. Okay.
What do you do?
How much do you pay for this?
That one?
Sexual favor in exchange of a French curve?
Yes, I said this bigger. That's also called prostitution, but okay.
I paid fucking like 12 euro for that shit.
Oh, it's not expensive.
Yeah, it's super expensive for
It's absolutely not.
It's a ruler. That cannot cost that much.
Bitch, a Morgantina, which is a square, costed 20 euros.
Yeah, same.
Okay.
Wait till you get your shit.
This one costed 24.
He has a different budget from us. He's on a different budget. He
Am
pays
I?
so much for the shit he gets.
Girl, where?
I know.
Yes.
I pay 200 for my house. The fuck are you talking about?
Yeah, I pay.
House and materials is a different thing.
Yeah.
Like,
I
No,
pay
but
more
in
for
general,
the
I
house.
have.
you have shit that I've never seen in my life.
Girl, that cutter costs
Whatever you
50
touch your
cents.
finger with, I've never
That's
seen it.
50 cents. That's 50 cents.
Okay.